Looking to grow your savings and investments in Nigeria this 2025? These top 5 apps are changing the game with high interest rates and smart investment options. We take a deep dive into what each app offers and how to use them, the pros and the cons, and what kind of returns you expect. Let's dive in. But before we do that, you are seeing my face for the very first time. My name is Betty. Welcome to Betty Money Tips. On this channel, we learn how to save wisely and invest smartly. And don't forget, I'm your finance friend. The number 1 on my list is Piggyvest. With Piggyvest, you can earn interest up to 22%. Piggyvest is one of Nigeria's most trusted savings platform. Let me break it down for you. Piggyvest is a flexible daily, weekly or monthly savings option. Users can get to set auto debits and earn up to 10% interest or even more than. They also have the Save Lock. This Save Lock locks your fund. That's the funds that you don't have immediate need of. They can lock it off for between 30 to 1,000 days, and you can earn up to 22 interest per annum. This type of feature on Piggyvest is good for long-term savings, savings for house rent, savings for children's school fees, and maybe savings for a change of car, or if you want to travel. We also have the Flex Naira. This Flex Naira is a type of wallet that you can withdraw money at any time and still earn interest up to 12% per annum. With this Flex in Naira, you can automate your bank account to put money there for you to withdraw at any time. You can even use this one to serve as your emergency fund while you still earn interest unlike your bank account. With this Flex Naira, you can do a lot of things. Plan for goals, plan for emergency fund, like I said earlier on. You also have the Flex Dollar. Flex Dollar allows you to save in dollars and earn interest in dollars. Perfect for inflation protection. And you can get up to 7% on this Flex Dollar. You save in dollars, you get your money back in dollars. It is one of the things I like most about this feature is that it is easy to use and track your goals. With Piggyvest, there's competitive interest rates. They have good customer service, and I'll be using it over time. I think I started using Piggyvest when I think immediately after COVID, when one of my daughters told me that she started using when it was in school. Maybe one of her friends told her, and it has been the best service I've ever had, the best interest rates ever. So the second on my list is Cowrywise. With Cowrywise, you can earn up to 14% interest. With Cowrywise, it is ideal for people who want both savings and investment flexible. It has regular plans, like you can save by automating your account and earn up to between 12 to 14% annually. It also has Halal savings. These are non-interest savings for Muslims because of their belief. There's no interest. It is non-interest savings. Also, you have the options to save for money mutual fund. You can choose any top performing funds managed by professionals asset management. Options of mutual money fund is also available for you. This app is being regulated and registered with SEC, that's Securities and Exchange Commission, and they offer variety in money mutual funds. Then there's fixed maturity days on some plans that you choose. The third on my list is Optimum by Ricevest. This is a platform built for investments and built by investment experts. With Optimum, you have Optimum Flex. This is a wallet that allows you to save in Naira or USD flexibly. We also have Optilock. This is a fixed term plan with rates up to 20%. They also do both mutual fund access. With this, you can invest in Ricevest funds directly using their mutual funds. What are the pros? It is being backed up by a professional investment firm. They are duly registered on the SEC, that's Security and Exchange Commission, and they use simple users interface. It is not as popular to many people, but with this you can do so many things. You can save, you can invest. In fact, I have invested with them and they have good customer service. Number 4 on my list is Bamboo. With Bamboo, you can save up to 21.4% interest. It allows you to invest in US, that's United States, and Nigerian stocks. And it allows you to focus on its savings and fixed income products. It has its bond and fixed interest. It earns up to 21.4 on treasury investment as well. On US stocks, you can invest in companies like Tesla, Apple, and Amazon. They have good dollar-dominated investments and they have strong mobile interface as well. The market is based on investment and they are not fixed. This is for high risk appetite people. Number 5 on my list is Risevest. With Risevest, you can earn up to 25% per annum. It is built for Nigerians who want dollar-based growth. You can save in naira and earn up to 25% yearly returns. They also deal with real estate and US stocks. They diversify in US investments handled by fund managers that are professional in that field. Your money is being protected against inflation and you just go to bed and let your money work for you. Market performance can vary due to inflation. So these are the best apps to save and invest with in Nigeria for 2025. Choose one that fits your financial goals and start your journey to financial freedom today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who you think needs it. What is your favorite saving app? Let me know in the comments. So I'll see you in my next video.